The consequences of B12 deficiency are especially concerning for the elderly, pregnant women, and those following strict vegetarian or vegan diets. This important vitamin has a big effect on our health and well-being, from how much energy we have to how well our brains work. Vitamin B12 helps in the formation of blood cells that carry oxygen throughout our body, and it supports the functioning of nerve cells. A lack of vitamin B12 can lead to serious health issues like anemia and neurological problems, which can affect people of all ages. In this video, we will talk in depth about the important benefits of B12 and explore natural ways to boost your B12 levels. Benefits of vitamin B12. Number 7. Energy productions. Energy production. Vitamin B12 is a key part of transforming the food you eat into energy that your body can use. This keeps you alert and busy. It is an important part of the metabolic process because it helps break down fats and carbs to make energy. If you don't get enough B12, your body has trouble changing these nutrients into energy, which makes you tired and low on energy. For continuous energy output, athletes and people who live active lives need this vitamin. Number 6. DNA synthesis. The genetic code for all of your cells is stored in DNA, which needs vitamin B12 to be made and fixed. This process is very important for cell repair, growth, and reproduction. It's very important when you're growing quickly, like when you're pregnant or a child is young. Vitamin B12 is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell health, preventing mutations and ensuring long-term wellness. Number 5. Mood control. Vitamin B12 affects many functions in the brain, including those that control mood. It helps make hormones such as serotonin and dopamine, which are very important for keeping your mood stable. Not getting enough B12 can mess up these neurotransmitters, which can cause mood swings, anger, and other problems related to mood. Maintaining healthy B12 levels is key for mood stability, reducing mood disorder risks, and enhancing overall health. Number 4. Mental health. The importance of vitamin B12 goes beyond physical health and has a big effect on mental health as well. Serotonin and other chemicals in the brain that affect mood are made with its help. People who are depressed or anxious often don't have enough B12. This suggests that there is a strong link between having enough B12 and mental health. Make sure you get enough B12, as it can help you deal with and avoid mental health problems like depression and worry. Number 3. Physical health. Vitamin B12 is important for many bodily processes, such as making red blood cells and keeping the nervous system healthy. It helps keep the body's systems working properly, which is good for general health and vitality. B12 is necessary for organs and systems to work properly, making sure they do their task quickly and well. This vitamin is also good for muscle health because it helps repair and maintain muscle tissue, which is important for power and activity. Number 2. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin B12 helps keep homocysteine levels in check, which is good for heart health. Heart problems are more likely to happen if your homocysteine levels are high. Vitamin B12 is not a vitamin that only does one thing well. It does many things that are important for keeping your mind and body healthy. Number 1. Heart palpitations. Low levels of something can make your heart beat irregularly or give you heart palpitations, caused by your body's stress from not having enough good red blood cells. Problems with the digestive system. Not getting enough vitamin B12 can make your digestive system sick, causing problems like nausea, diarrhea, or loss of appetite. These problems can affect the food you eat and your health in general. By understanding these symptoms, you can help find and treat vitamin B12 shortages early on, avoiding long-term health problems. Let's discuss who are at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. It's important to know if you're at danger of vitamin B12 insufficiency. Because B12 absorption decreases with age, the elderly are more vulnerable. Vegans and vegetarians are at risk because B12 is found in animal products. Crohn's and celiac disease often affect B12 absorption. Alcohol abuse can also affect B12 absorption. Gastric bypass patients may have trouble absorbing B12 due to intestinal changes. Long-term use of diabetes drugs like metformin can lower B12 levels. Pregnant women risk B12 deficiency because fetal growth requires higher quantities. People with tight diets or eating disorders may not acquire enough B12. Preventing B12 deficiency starts with risk assessment. Discuss B12 levels with your doctor if you're in any of these groups. How can enhancing B12 absorption be done naturally? Start by eating things that are high in B12, like meat, dairy, eggs, and cereals that have been fortified. Vegans and vegetarians might want to try enriched plant-based foods or B12 supplements. Gut health is very important for absorbing B12. Fermented foods and probiotics can help your gut stay healthy, which can help your body absorb nutrients better. Make sure you eat fiber-rich foods that feed good bugs in your gut and keep your digestive system healthy. Staying away from too much alcohol can also help your body absorb B12 better, since alcohol can hurt your gut health. Stay refreshed. Drinking enough water helps your digestive system work better overall. If you have a disease like gastritis that makes it hard for your body to absorb B12, you should talk to your doctor about it. Chewing your food well helps break it down at the start, which makes the nutrients easier to get. Remember that a healthy gut will help you get the most out of the B12 you eat. Taking extra vitamin B12 may be necessary if the food you eat doesn't give you enough. B12 supplements come in a number of different types, and each one is good for a different thing. Most people find it easy to take supplements by mouth, and they can successfully raise B12 levels. You can get these as pills or tablets that you put under your tongues and dissolve there. However, injections may work better for people who have trouble absorbing the medicine, like those with certain medical problems. With B12, the vitamin goes straight into the bloodstream, skipping the digestive system. Most of the time, healthcare workers give them. Some people choose B12 nasal sprays instead of pills because they are more comfortable. The type of vitamin you take should fit your body's needs and your way of life. Before starting any vitamin plan, you should always talk to your doctor. They can tell you the right amount and form to take based on your health and B12 levels. Vitamin B12 is very important for making energy and keeping the brain working, so keeping an eye on it and making sure it stays healthy is very important. It is very important to treat B12 deficiencies by making changes to your food, taking supplements, or seeing a doctor. Managing B12 levels proactively has a big effect on health and quality of life in general. Share your vitamin B12 tips, experiences, and advice in the comments to help others on their health journey.